Imagine creating fully detailed 3D models, not just flat images, instantly with AI, from a text prompt, a sketch, or even a photo. No Blender skills, no long learning curve, and no expensive hardware. In the next few minutes, I'll show you Tripo, an AI platform that's changing the way creators, game developers, and designers build 3D assets. Fast, easy, and surprisingly powerful. Stick around, because I'm also going to walk you through how to generate your first model step by step, and what plan makes the most sense depending on your project. Hey everyone, welcome back to Ray Creators Lab, the channel where we explore the latest AI and online tools for creators like you. Today, we're diving into Tripo Studio, an AI-powered 3D model creation platform that lets you generate professional-grade 3D assets from text descriptions, 2D images, or even multi-view inputs, all in minutes without traditional modeling skills. Tripo isn't only built for generating models. It includes tools that help shape, structure, and refine assets beyond the first result. That focus on preparation is what makes the output usable in real production workflows. One feature that really stands out with Tripo is its ability to convert simple sketches or rough line drawings into 3D-styled models. And this is huge, because it means you don't need a polished reference or a perfect design to get started. You can literally upload a rough concept sketch, even something that looks unfinished, and Tripo uses AI to interpret the shapes, depth, and structure to generate a usable 3D model. This is perfect for early-stage ideas, concept artists, or creators who want to prototype fast without wasting time refining details up front. Once your 3D model is generated in Tripo, the next challenge is optimization, and this is where Smart Low Poly comes in. Smart Low Poly automatically reduces the mesh density of your model while still preserving the important visible details. In simple terms, it makes your models lighter and faster without making them look cheap or broken. This is especially important if you're building for games, real-time previews, AR/VR, or interactive projects where performance really matters. And the best part? Tripo handles this optimization without you having to rebuild the model from scratch. So instead of manually retopologizing or spending hours cleaning meshes, you get a ready-to-use, performance-friendly version of your model in just a few clicks. Another really practical feature in Tripo is the ability to make small texture adjustments using simple text prompts. Instead of manually retexturing a model, you can apply quick changes like color shifts, surface finish, or material tweaks just by describing what you want. For example, making a surface more metallic, changing the color palette, or softening the finish. This keeps visual changes lightweight, fast, and controlled, especially when you're iterating on designs or testing different looks. Production-ready assets depend on more than appearance. Tripo supports lower poly counts with retained detail, making models suitable for games, film, and real-time engines. Combined with clean structure, it fits naturally into a broader 3D production pipeline. To try Tripo for yourself, I've included the link in the description of this video. Just follow the link and sign up with your email. New users get 500 free credits, so you can start generating and testing 3D models right away without paying anything up front. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone creating 3D content or experimenting with AI tools. I'll see you in the next one.